back to my channel. My name is Stacey Flowers and I am a student of Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University and on a journey to become 100% debt-free. I currently work part-time, earning anywhere from $1,200 to $1,500 a month. My current debt is over $180,000, and in this video I'm going to be going over my spring capsule wardrobe. So if you are interested in that, please keep watching. So as we're getting into this, I just want to let you guys know we are filming from my closet, which just is so delightful that like I'm getting this much light. I'm not using any sort of studio lights. This is just the natural light in my closet, and with my arm stretched out like this is how wide the closet is. I'm so in love with this space and I cannot wait to show you guys how I organize and decorate everything, but I just felt like it was the perfect backdrop to go over my spring capsule. Let's talk about how many pieces. This is actually what I wore all spring. I live in Chicago in the Midwest and we have had a record-breaking colder spring. So just like I'm wearing this sweater right now, you see more like knits and sweaters and jackets. It's because our spring was very, very cold. We're actually just now beginning to experience cooler or warmer temperatures, but we are almost about to slip right into summer. So it's a very interesting thing, and so that's why you'll see so many more knits in here. But I wanted to add up the pieces: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and then 17. So 17 pieces. And then if we count shoes, which I mean I really did not change my shoes up that much, but if we counted shoes it would be 20 pieces in total, which is not a lot of pieces, but it was able to get me through the spring. Talk about the pieces. So one of my favorite pieces in the spring wardrobe is this particular sweater. It's so comfortable. I'm just in love with this sweater. So even though I wore this in the winter and I wore this in the spring, I'll probably wear it for those evenings in the summer too, just because that's how much I love this oversized sweater. I also had this denim jacket. I actually really love denim, and I've been trying to find lighter denim. This denim is a little bit bedazzled. I'm gonna do some try on so that you guys can see these pieces. I don't know if I love the fit. I do love the color and I love that it's bedazzled, but I don't know if I love the fit, and so I may switch this out for a different piece in general, just in terms of finding denim. This is just a cotton Gap pullover shirt with like a hood. It's very casual, very comfortable. Love it, love it. This is my second favorite piece in the spring capsule. This knit sweater, this knit oversized sweater. I completely adore this sweater. Like I could have easily worn this sweater instead of this sweater, but these are probably my two favorite pieces in this particular capsule. So a sweater. This sweater was worn a couple of times, but I like the big neck scoop and just the general fit that it had on my body, and the color is very flattering too. It's golden. This is a very lightweight knit. All of these items are thrifted as well, so I picked them up at the thrift store, so they were probably anywhere between $2 and $5 maybe. But this is a very light knit DKNY sweater. I really like this. One of the things that I noticed when I finally started to incorporate this into outfits is that I didn't have accessories to style. So there were so many things that I wanted to do, because like this has a vertical stripe that I just love. I really like stripes and geometric patterns. I found that out. But I realized that like without accessories I couldn't really make it look the way I wanted it to look. So that was very interesting that this particular piece helped me to be able to see it. But this is literally just a casual crew neck shirt. It's probably more of like when I don't feel like getting dressed but I want to be warm, and I want to upgrade these pieces because I know that there's a way to do these pieces in a way that is more stylish than what I'm doing, but because I was just, you know, wanting to get through a capsule wardrobe and I was seeking comfort, this worked. And actually I don't think this was thrifted. I think I actually took this from my son because it's an extra large, so I'm thinking that it's from my son. So that here's another comfy crew neck-ish, very long, maybe this is like a tunic shape, gray shirt. This was something that I reached for frequently as well. This was the item that helped me to figure out that I need to be more concerned with my care of these items, especially if I'm going to be working with the minimal wardrobe. Because this is so wore out, it's not going to be able to go into next season, even though it's an incredibly comfortable shirt to wear. This shirt I got because I adore lines and geometric patterns. And I think in my mind, I think that like oversized bagginess is very like cool and chic and, you know, sexy. I don't know. I don't know what I think about it, but I know that there's like this baggy, chic, oversized situation that I want in my life, and this shirt helped me to get it. But again, I didn't have accessories, so it kind of looked a little bit more maternity like on than I wanted it to look. But it's like the size and everything is like my size. I guess I didn't tell you guys the brand. This is Zara. The size is my size. It's a very soft knit material. I don't know what the actual, it doesn't feel like wool or anything like that. I don't know what the actual material is, but it feels like a very soft cotton. But I love it because it has the lines. Maybe a vertical line would have been a little bit more flattering because it looked a little maternity-esque. But I'm going to keep it and see if accessories can make this better. Another top, this is a top with sort of some bedazzled ballet flats, which when I picked up this piece, I was as enthusiastic about this piece as I was this denim jacket, which told me that I like bedazzled things, even though I don't wear as much bedazzled things as I think I do, right? Like, I like bedazzled things, but I think I can get that bedazzled look in a more mature form through accessories. And so this shirt on is not as flattering as I would like for it to be. I love it because of the shoes and the bedazzle. But it's just not as flattering, so it was wonderful to have this season, but I won't be carrying it over into other seasons. This is a shirt that I've had forever. It just has a title on it, adult-ish. It's just a graphic tee. It's super comfortable. It's super just an easy peasy shirt to put on. Again, understyled, and it could be styled so in such a more like fabulous way. The big thing that from like doing this capsule, it just helped me to see, okay, you need accessories because you're thinking about it in a cute way, but it's not being executed in a cute way because you don't have the accessories that go with it. This is the only, I believe, sleeveless item that I have. This is from Zara as well. This shirt I got from like a boutique, or no I didn't. I got from Instagram. Someone had a flat lay and I saw it, and like immediately I purchased it. I was like, this was a good Instagram post because I didn't even think about that. And then it's like 2 years old, so I don't, if I can find it, I'll link it below, but it's a while ago. This is a Zara top. I really like this because the feel of this is amazing. Like, I love the way that it feels, but on, I felt like I got a little bit washed out. I'll show you guys in the walkthrough. You can let me know. What I was hoping that it was going to do was create this monochromatic, very like nude but dressed look. And again, I think if I had accessories, that would have happened, but because I didn't have accessories, I just think that this shirt just didn't get the love. And also, when it finally got hot enough to wear this shirt, my entire neck was turned into alligator skin. And so it just wasn't as flattering with the neckline either. So those are all of the tops and the jacket. And then the one dress that I pulled into my spring capsule is this dress. It is, I don't know what the style of this dress would be. It's not a bodycon because it doesn't have the contouring in it. I don't know what the style of the dress is called, but I love this color. I want to try to find more of this color to bring into my wardrobe, because even just pulling it here, like, it literally like brightens, lifts everything in my whole face. And so because I love this color so much, I wanted to keep it in the spring wardrobe so I would stay inspired to keep trying to create a full wardrobe. I like the length. It's a midi length. I like that it's long sleeves. I like that it's like the turtleneck. Again, under accessorized, but very flattering on my figure, and just a perfect color for my shade of skin. It's like when I'm trying to do nude, I realize that I should probably actually go blush instead of like, so this is this color, which isn't horrible, right? But this color, it's like, oh, there she is, you know? So, but one dress, but I wore this sometimes just as a top. And then for the entire spring capsule, I had 4 pair of pants. I'm just gonna grab these down. These are some Zara basic dark denim. They don't have any detail or design in them. They're just a dark wash. I actually got these because I could not fit any of these pants, any of my other pants. So I went up like maybe, what is that, 1 or 2, you know how like dress sizes or pant sizes go up by 2 sizes. So I went up 1 size, but it was 2 sizes, if that makes sense. And so now I can't fit these anymore because I realized that I was like putting on weight, and I was just like, oh, okay, so you're either eating too much or you're eating the wrong things for your body type, because you are gaining weight in a way that is significant enough for you to need to change your pant size. So you need to figure out what's going on. And my best friend helped me to realize that rice is not a great food to be eating, and that may be impacting the weight gain. And so I cut rice to about 50% of the amount of rice that I was eating, and I was able to, I'm moving slowly but surely back to my natural weight. So these pants were purchased specifically because I was suffocating in these pants, and so these were pretty much worn every single day of every single day of spring. And also because it was so cold, I was also layering under this, and these were the only pants that I could like layer any sort of tight or stocking or long john under. There we go. These are black pants that I got from Akira 2 years ago, but I love them. They're high-waisted. I think what I'm going to do for my pants is that pants that I love, I think I'm gonna continue to try to thrift to see if I can find great pants. But I think if I find a pair of pants that just suits me, that I'm just gonna go to that company and get multiple colors, because it just looks so good. They don't look as amazing as they did when I first got them, but they still feel amazing, and they still look better than most of the other pants that I have. So rather than stressing myself out, I think I'm just gonna let myself like get a dark wash, another black wash. And these are distressed. They're distressed in the knees, and so I can get a distressed dark wash, I can get a full dark wash, etc. And it's high-waisted. It's just so flattering. It looks really good. These are the pants that I can fit now. That would have been the bulk pair of pants that I was wearing for my spring capsule. These were thrifted. These are a pair of Jessica Simpson. I like Jessica Simpson pants and her shoes actually, because she intentionally designs with like shorter people in mind. So I'm 5'5", and some people will say that's short, some people will say that it's not short, but it's like I'm not petite, but I'm also not tall. And so what tends to happen with pants is they're either long or they're way too short, and I find that Jessica Simpson really creates a lot of that in between size. And the same thing with shoes. If you notice with her shoes, they have a lot of platforms, but that's because she's short and she wants some height, but she wants you to be comfortable. These are another pair of pants that I picked up in 2 sizes from my natural weight, because I wanted just another pair of pants to wear. I like these pants a lot because they're wide leg, and they're a little bit high waist, so I thought that they added a little bit like nicer look touch to it than just having like a skinny pant. And so these got a little bit of wear as well. So as far as what everything looks like, that is what everything looks like in my wardrobe. Now I'm going to show you a couple of outfits.